Hey, I'm D, and this is Demon's Garage. In this episode, we're going to talk about a lovely little thing that happened to me on my way home from work one night. I get out of work very late. And what had happened is I had my wifey's car, and I came up around the turn, and before I knew it, there was a deer there. I hit that deer, and apparently that deer had just come from the all-you-can-eat buffet. Because when I hit him low in the belly, and everything he had eaten in the last month shot out of both ends. It covered the car and everything that was in his stomach and the other end, totally covering the car. Well, obviously I had to clean the car before I took it home because I'd never hear the end of it, and it stunk. So the other thing is I had to straighten out how to straighten out the hood. It's not always about making it perfect. Sometimes it's just about making it better. If you want to be a deer, hit that subscribe button. That one. Hit it. Hit it now. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
As you can see here, the basic damage on the front of the hood. What I did was use what's known as a slide hammer to straighten the hood. It's basically a piece of pipe with a big heavy weight on it. It has changeable ends on it. A lot of it was just pulling the hood, because as you can see on the sides, there was a bulge. And I tried to straighten out the front ledge and get that back into place because that was very ugly. Also, reconstructing the damage in the opposite direction usually helps fix this. I had a couple of creases in it that needed to be removed. I also had to straighten the core support because the hood latch connects to the core support on this car, and when it did, when it was hit, it pushed the whole thing back. It needed to be pulled out. By using a couple of 2x4s, I was able to take the worst of the crown out of the hood. And just slowly working the edges to get them straighter than they were. And here's the finished product. Yes, it is not perfect, but it is better than it started.